Hello! Another video in the category Tips and Tricks from Mission Wood. In one of my last videos I used these templates as positioning and routing templates for the build of an Adirondack chair. Heiko was questioning if they were self-made or bought. If self-made, he proposed to see more about it. So here we go! All of my templates are self-made. In fact, making is pretty low-tech, but a little bit of craftsmanship is involved. So in this video I will show you my method to build up routing templates, fast and easy. And if you're interested, keep on watching. First of all, you need to know how many samples you want to produce with the templates. If you're looking for a template to produce 200 parts or more, you need to have a stronger material. In my case, the templates needed to last only for 5 to 20 parts. So MDF was my choice of material. MDF means medium density fiberboard, and it's basically fibers from wood or plants treated and pressed similar like native wood is putting together its fibers in a natural way. Please forgive me my comparison, but MDF has some family relations with paper, the stronger and more sophisticated form maybe. You can get it nearly in every Home Depot, Lowe's, Bauhaus or whatever is out there. It's really easy to handcraft as it's relatively soft, so the perfect choice for my sample size. So the tools that I'm using are not that many. It's a track saw, jigsaw, some sandpaper and block, a file and some measurement tools. So let's start with the marking, transferring the shape from the plans to the MDF pen. Draw all straight lines and smaller radius on the MDF with a ruler, a circle or some other measurement tools. That is simple. For larger radius I use a cord and a pencil. Use the nail for the pivot point or put something heavy on the cord at the correct position. If your template has a freeform edge, use a wooden strip. I show you how. The freeform line needs to go from this point, flush into this line, to this point, flush into this line. That's how we draw the line. After all, the marked MDF looks like this. Next is cutting the straight edges with a track saw exactly on the mark, and the round and freeform edges with a jigsaw 1 or 2 millimeters away from the mark to leave enough space for the sanding. Sanding is done with 180 and 320 grit by hand. I show you cutting and sanding. That is what the sanded template looks like. For sanding route edges, really good tools exist. But if you don't have any at hand, a tape roll and also some sandpaper will do as well. As MDF is pretty soft and also sensitive to water, the edges tend to fray and can easily swell with a little bit of contact to water. I made very good experience with a 1-to-1 mix of wood glue and water. The water allows the glue to go much deeper into the edges of the MDF, which results in a strong and very smooth edge after drying out. After drying, sand with high grit to achieve a fine surface and mark the templates with its name. Finally, this is what the finished template looks like. Let me resume. In this video, out of the tips and tricks category, I showed you an easy and simple way how to build routing template out of MDF panels like you see here. Some hand tools and a little bit of craftsmanship is involved. And I hope I could show you the one or the other trick that you did not know so far. And if you liked it, please feel free to subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted when the next video will be out.